Activity 1. Pointers. Now, what is pointers? Pointers are symbolic representations of addresses. They enable programs to simulate call by reference as well as to create and manipulate dynamic data structures. Include the IO stream. This line includes the necessary header file for input and output operations in C++. Include IO string. This line includes the header file for string handling in C++. Using namespace std. This line declares that the program will use the std namespace, which includes many standards in C++ functions and objects. This allows us to use objects and functions from the std namespace without prefixing them with std. Int main. This line starts the definition of the main function, which is the entry point of the program. String animal equals dog. This line declares a string variable named animal and initializes it with the value dog. String ptr equals end animal. This line declares a pointer variable named ptr that can store the memory addresses of a string variable. It assigns the address of the animal variable to the ptr using the address of ptr end. This line cout animal. This line prints the value of the animal variable, which is dog, to the standard output stream cout. Cout end animal. This line prints the address of the animal variable to the standard output stream. Since end is the address of operator and animal gives the memory address where the animal variable is stored. Cout ptr. This line prints the value stored in ptr variable to the standard output stream. Since ptr is a pointer to string, it will print the memory address that ptr is pointing to. Return 0. This line indicates that the main function is ending and returns an integer value of 0 to the operating system, indicating successful program execution.